How can I design a Python function to print a matrix with only the forward diagonal elements set to true? I'm trying to print an NN matrix with only the forward diagonal elements set to true and the rest to false. Here is my code. I'm baffled as to why the true values are spreading through the entire matrix instead of remaining confined to the cells where I equals j. Desired output for n equals 5. Current output for n equals 5. What could be the issue here?
The reason is that multiplying with does not create new object, as Toby Petty mentioned. The way to fix would be
The problem is that the shorthand you're using to create lists actually just creates copies of the same list. You can check this with the add function.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.